Nigeria, Remi Tinubu, and the National Security Advisor, would lead national prayers to seek God's intervention in the country's economic hardship. This was made known by the Director General of the Nigerian Prayer Forum, NPF, Segun Balogun Afolayan in Abuja. Afolayan said the theme of 2024 National Prayer is seeking the intervention of God in Nigeria's affairs. Afolayan explained that the event will be organized in collaboration with the Christian and Muslim leaders, as it will usher Nigeria into 2025 with renewed hope and purpose. By the end of this prayer session, we believe that with God's wisdom, our leaders and citizens will find the strength to confront our enemies. Afolayan said. According to the NPF director, Muslims will gather at the National Mosque in Abuja for 7 days, during which 313 individuals will recite the Quran, culminating in the recitation of the Holy Quran 2,191 times for national stability. Christians will meet at the National Ecumenical Center for a week of intense prayer, with prayer warriors from various denominations focusing their efforts on the nation's adversity. Afolayan also told Daily Trust newspaper outlets that extensive outreach had been conducted, including meetings with leaders from the National Mosque, the President of the Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN, and traditional leaders such as the Sultan of Sokoto. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.